everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi, if you're new, I'd love if you guys hit that subscribe button down below along with the little bell next to it. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a fall morning routine. I'm so excited to share this video with you guys. I have not filmed a morning routine in so long, and I'm so sorry about that. They're just like such a different type of video for me to film, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to give a big thumbs up if you do, and comment down below letting me know if you want to see more videos like this or if you have any other video requests. I always love hearing your ideas and finding out what you guys want to see, so leave a comment. I respond back to all my comments. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just get into it. So every Saturday and Sunday I like to wake up at 6 a.m. I know it's a little crazy, but I like to be an early bird, and I feel like I get so much stuff done if I wake up this early. It does take me a while to get out of bed, I'm not gonna lie, but I have cute little pumpkin socks on, so it's okay. And I just like to turn all my lights on when I wake up. I drink a lot of water, so I have this cute Starbucks cup just filled with water. And then I like to put on music, and I have been listening to my Year of Positivity playlist when I wake up. It's just so happy, and it really sets the mood for the day. And then of course I make my bed. I make my bed every single morning. I feel like it just puts you off to a great start to the day, and I have the cutest throw pillows from Target, you guys. After that, I head over to my desk, and I like to log into my computer. I like to turn on all my lights. Like I mentioned, this lamp is from Target, and it's so cool because you just tap it to turn it on. And then I like to plan out my whole day right when I wake up. So I use my day designer. Of course, I have to find a fun pen or pencil to use, and I just make a to-do list. I like to keep my to-do list pretty simple, but I also like to write down stuff that I might forget about. You know, I feel like planning is a huge part of being like really productive. And then I go over and I like to get my blog post up as early as I can. So my blog is just at kellyprepster.blogspot.com. I've been working really hard on it. I'd love if you guys check it out, and I'm really passionate about it. So I like to post almost every single day. So I write a post in the morning, then I like to get all dolled up. So I turn on all my lights again. I feel like just having bright lights in the morning really wakes me up. So I go to the bathroom to rinse out my beauty blender and brush my teeth. And you guys, my beauty blender is a hot mess, but it's okay, it's clean. And then I use Colgate Total. A lot of you guys have been asking what kind of toothpaste I use, and this is the one. I feel like it really helps. It kind of whitens your teeth as well. I like to get dressed. I feel like this is really important to get like dressed every single day. I just picked out this super cute monogram vest, a pink shirt, some jeans, and got dressed. I changed out of my PJs. So I just put on my everyday jewelry. I love my rings and my watch, and then it was time to start kicking the face. And I seriously love makeup. I've been getting into it, so I just put on my like everyday makeup routine, and it's super simple. You guys have probably seen tutorials of it. I have my favorite matte lipstick from Revlon. After my makeup's done, I like to do my hair, and I just got this Irresistible Me flat iron. It's part of their Black Diamond collection, and I love how it adds a little bit of shine to my hair, and I just absolutely love it. I will have it linked down below if you want to check it out. But then I'm going to go downstairs and make breakfast. So I turn off my computer, pause my music, turn off my cute little pumpkin lights. It's just like easy to do. Grab my camera, and we're going to head downstairs. So I got my magic bullet. I use Premier Protein and a banana. My protein shakes are one of my go-tos. I drink one every single day, and they just make me so happy because they're so filling, they're so yummy, and they're just a perfect breakfast for me. So this is just how I make it. I throw in a few ice cubes, the protein powder, and some water. Super simple. Then I blend it all up. And I also like to pour it into a separate cup because I feel like it's more enjoyable. So then I just go over to our kitchen table, drink it. I plan out like my next photo shoot. Like I find a few inspirational things on my phone and enjoy my breakfast. But then I'm ready to go take a few pictures and head to my car. So I just walk out the door and get going on the way to the photo shoot. And you guys probably seen this in one of my lookbooks, but this is one of the outfits I was wearing on the day of, and it's super cute. So that is my morning, and yeah, I just drive home or drive wherever I have to go after that, and that is it. Bye. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment down below if you have any other video requests, if you like this video, or just say hi, because I love being able to connect with all of you guys. But I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next one. Bye, guys.